I'm exclusive icon. These government intelligence agencies, three-letter government intelligence agencies, both in the United States and globally, were developed on a rogue foundation anyway. So all the global government intelligence agencies were developed on rogue means and on a rogue foundation in the first place. That means, and I'm going to use United States as an example because I live in the United States and I'm an American. But this is globally. These intelligence agencies exist globally in every country. And these intelligence agencies were already rogue when they formed in the first place, way back when, between the 40s, 50s, and even 60s. So they were already rogue when they formed. They formed out of rogueness and on a rogue foundation in the first place. In the United States, for example, those three-letter agencies would be the Department of Defense, formerly known as the War Department, the NSA, National Security Agency, the CIA, Central Intelligence Agency, and then you have the other forms and branches like HARP and DARPA. But the thing is, these government intelligence agencies have been running and have been operating in secret these active MKUltra programs for many centuries. The thing is human beings as a civilization on Earth do not have the means to stop, dismantle, and terminate these rogue intelligence agencies. We don't have the ability and the means to be able to dismantle and terminate these rogue government intelligence agencies, acting out these abusive and inhumane and even illegal MKUltra secretive MKUltra programs, and there are many of them that are used for many different purposes. And as human beings, we cannot and do not have the means or technology to stop these rogue intelligence agencies. In order for us to dismantle them and terminate them and their secret operations, we would need advanced light energy. We would need benevolent, which are positive extraterrestrial beings with advanced technologies to physically step in, intervene, and help us dismantle and terminate these rogue government intelligence agencies that have been controlling, destroying, and manipulating humanity and our entire global civilization in every way and for many years. So in order for us to rid our planet and our civilization of these rogue government intelligence agencies and their secret MKUltra programs, we need positive extraterrestrial beings with advanced technologies to step in and help us dismantle and terminate these dark, rogue government intelligence agencies and their many secret MKUltra operations, which also overlap with satanic ritual abuse. So as a living species, as humanity, as human beings, we cannot and do not have the ability or the means to dismantle and terminate these dark, rogue government intelligence agencies, secret MK Ultra programs, and their operations and agents. So in order for us to rid our entire planet of these rogue government intelligence agencies, secret MK Ultra programs, and which overlap with satanic ritual abuse, we need the help, and we need to call on, every single one of us need to call on and be open to the help, to receiving the help of positive extraterrestrial beings, and open to their help, their physical help, and advanced technologies to help us dismantle and terminate and end these rogue government intelligence agencies and their secret MK Ultra operations and agents on every level, to dismantle and permanently terminate their many operations both on and off planet. And as humanity, as a human civilization, as human beings, we need to call in and reach out our arms to ask and request help from the positive extraterrestrials, and be open for their help and be open to their help with their advanced technologies to help us, and reach out for help from our positive extraterrestrial beings, and be open to help to their advanced technologies in order for us to be able to permanently end these MK Ultra programs and terminate them permanently and dismantle all of their operations and their agents permanently.